We're so lucky the weather changed. Man. What a storm. Let's go.
Where is the path? Did you do any research?
No. You're gonna be alright?
I don't know. It's a bit silly.
No.
Not silly? I'm a silly idea?
Let's go. Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, can you make it tighter, please? I don't know how. I don't know if
Pull it very strong.
yeah, it's not working. Otherwise, I would have done it myself. Goodbye now.
So here's what we do. There is a walk called Coastal Walk, and it's about 50 kilometers, and it goes around the whole island. It's supposed to be a very cool way to experience Gozo. This is what we decided to do. We're going to walk the whole island. Let's do this. So we did our first 5 kilometers since we started in Slendy. And the next goal is St. Lawrence, and that is also another 5 kilometers. We're not really prepared for it. We have some water, and that's about all. I just have all my electronics with me and expensive stuff, but the rest is all in the jimmy. Fingers crossed nobody will crack it open or anything.
I just want to slip. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I literally feel like I'm.
You can take my hand
Yeah,
if you
and
want.
then what? How's it going to help? It's not going to help. Oh yeah, it helps.
Very good.
Did it?
Maybe people lived here.
Now what happens?
Hop.
What do you mean? We can't just, no way. You can't just pull me. I think I made a wrong choice.
Yeah.
Hang on, I could do this. I'm just scared the rocks will fall.
Yeah.
Because they're not glued on. Right, easy.
I really thought that was the right way.
Look at the map, it goes so low.
And I think we're back on the right path now. Are we?
We've walked 8 k's. That's it.
8 kilometers?
Only 8 k's.
Oh.
We have like 15 more to go.
Yeah.
I'll live here.
No, come now.
I'll live here and you just go on.
Come. How cool is that? How cool is that? Probably carved in the stone from the wind and from the rain. We're now at Dieja Bay. I hope I'm saying this right. And yeah, this walk so far is more of a hike, and it's quite exhausting, but also very, very beautiful. I think Maree is struggling a little bit more than I do with this. And she's hungry. But she's going to be so proud of herself once we did this. And it's a great experience. Oh boy. How's your pie? Good pie? Show me. Oh, it's probably the biggest cookie I ever had. This is almost as big as my head. Now I can walk 100 kilometers. We only did half of the way we wanted to, and the sun is already going down. We have 2 more hours left. Let's do it. No trumpeting. Like what?
Hobbits town. Little hobbits live here.
My feet hurt. We made it to the north side.
Way, south.
South.
Mr. Jim Jim. But he can look after himself for one night, right? He's a big boy.
Should be, yeah. Should be fine.
Big and strong.
Yeah. We did about 20 kilometers already and still have 4 kilometers to go to the next town that we want to stay at. And we found a cheap room, but yeah, it is exhausting. And it makes you appreciate the way we usually travel with the motorcycle and with the Jimmy. But it's a good change of pace for sure. You coming? What do you mean borrow?
Borrow it.
I would be stealing.
I wouldn't borrow it, I would use it until we get to my
Yeah.
house.
We have to walk up there now.
Stop it.
Yeah? No, I was just kidding.
My socks are wet again.
No.
Well, I'm wearing summer shoes. Like I'm not wearing like hiking shoes. And the water just comes in and like my socks just dried. Oh, and the water's okay, it's coming in again. The water sprays, so I have to jump.
Jump.
I can't, it's so dangerous.
Jump.
Why are you making me just
Jump. It's not far.
It is so, yeah, for your
Just
vlogs,
jump.
yes.
Just do it.
And if I land in this,
Just do it.
oh, I'm sinking and I'm getting more.
Do it.
And that's even more puddly. I can't, my legs aren't that
Just
long.
jump now.
Hope I make it. Oh, I'm scared. Like,
Let's do it.
yeah, but if I don't make it, I'm gonna face plant because it's like a little hill. Oh. I'm never taking your advice again. It's like I'm standing in a puddle. I'm walking in puddles now.
We'll try them.
I'm not taking your advice again. Oh, pretty. Look. They've just dried. It's all muddy.
Oh.
Look, and it's wet right through. Like, all of that's wet, like it's puddling.
Gore-Tex motorcycle boots.
So I've heard a million times.
Very good. Super dry.
Bye. Fuck, they're gonna be fried. Where's the owner?
I don't know.
They're gonna be such a fright.
I know there's people that walk 100 kilometers a day. I can't imagine that, really. Salt fields. All over there. It's getting really dark now. But we still have 20 minutes to go. Oh, my feet hurt so much. But we can do it. We can do it. First day. I can see buildings. I can see buildings. I don't know why she always runs while the camera is on. This is not... Oh, we did it.
We made it 25 k's, which sounds easy, but not when it was like walking on the side of a cliff the whole time. Was like
It wasn't easy.
climbing cliffs and sliding down cliffs.
Outside, come inside, just change it on.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
But it was a nice walk today. It
Yeah,
was beautiful.
it was awesome.
Today was
Yeah.
beautiful.
I'm all muddy.
I like the bed.
It's a porn star bed.
Yeah, perfect. Alright guys, I'll show you the sea view right now. Wow. Look at that. Not so bad, really. How's your knee?
So there's like there's an ITB down here. Ah! Okay. Okay, maybe just start light, like. It is so painful, and that's why my knees sore. Go again. Okay, do it! Okay, wait. Just do it lightly.
Dilio is the safe word.
Just do it lightly so I can. Ow! No, so hard! Dilio! Why? Like, you definitely do not become a physio. Like, do not do that.
I'm the best physio.
Do not be a physio.
How's the knee?
Yeah.
It's better?
No.
No?
A little bit, but.
A little bit.
A little bit.
You can do it. It's only like 30 kilometers more today.
What? 30?
Probably.
Alright.
2 hours.
What am I going to do without you?
Do you know?
How do I survive without you?
You won't, probably.
I'm my own woman. Cheers.
Alright. Change of plans, guys. Change of plans. Marie's knee is really bad now. She can barely walk. The plan now is I'll walk back to Schlendi, get the motorcycle, pick her up, and then we're gonna explore the rest of the island on the motorcycle. 1.5 hour walk for me now. Luckily this island is very small. could just take the bus, but actually it feels more like an accomplishment when I walk. So I finished the circle. It wasn't the whole island, but at least I walked half the island, if that makes sense. Oh man. Ay, ay, ay. Well, at least this should motivate Maree to wash the Jimmy. Poor Mr. Jim Jim. Jesus. Seems like Eve is pretty okay. Oh, a little bit. Well, Eve needs a wash for sure, that's clear. But not now. Alright, well, we'll deal with all that later. But it does feel good, really. I did more like 30 kilometers walking within 24 hours. I'm quite proud of myself. Ah, nice. What a day. What?
I want a quad bike.
A quad bike?
I want a quad bike.
Now?
Now.
Okay. That reminds me of the time when we were in Naxos in Greece. We both rented quad bikes. Videos on the channel, you have to check it out. It was so much fun. But this thing is much more powerful. And Maree loves it.
In a drag race between this one and your Mrs. Eve, I'd win.
Okay.
And I'd even win against Mr. Jim Jim.
Yeah, well, for sure. All right.
This is way faster than the Jim Jim.
Yeah.
And is that going to be powerful, or is the Jim Jim Where do we go? No!
Drag race.
There's a car coming!
Whoa!
They are winning!
Ah! Well, she's definitely better off-road.
Up here? Woo! Ah! Oh. Toot toot!
I hope her brakes work. Very steep. Wow, so cool. awesome.
Alright, let's go. Little restaurante. Somewhere here, like this, but with a restaurant. Where we can just roll the bikes up and just eat. Do you know what I mean? Is it nap time?
How's your knee doing?
Right now it's pretty fine. It's been relaxing all day. We have a cat nap.
Alright guys, this has been a really fun adventure. We have to bring Maree's quad bike back now and find accommodation. But this is a perfect place to end the video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!